Assalamu alaikum. The new scholarship which is announced by the government of Norway, which is called Norway Presidential Scholarship 2021. So you can get more information about it by going to jobsandcareerhub.blogspot.com. When you come here, you see this post and you have to read more. You can get all the information about this Norway Presidential Scholarships on this website. So where you can get the details about Norway Presidential Scholarships, available fields, financial coverage which include the Norway scholarship holder and international receipts. What is the eligibility criteria? And the deadline is 1st March 2021, and you can apply by visiting on this link. When you click on this link, you will come to this website. So where you can also see the eligibility and the procedure how you can apply. The application deadline is March 1st, but one problem is that it is only for 20 students. So you can see here you need fully study progression in each semester and cumulative GPA of B grade. The 20 scholarships for international applicants and 10 scholarships for Norwegian applicants. And you can note these informations also. So go and don't miss this opportunity.